we are going to talk about a useful tool when evaluating expressions called a flowchart. So if I had the expression 5n plus 4, the point in this flowchart is for us to visualize our order of operations. So to start off with, we have the number n. Now we are going to say multiply it by 5. That's how we get 5n. Then we are going to add 4, which is how we get 5n plus 4. So now you're sitting there saying, what's the point? Well, if I want to substitute in a number like 3, this will help me see what my order of operations are. Since I started with n before, and I am substituting in a value of 3 for n, I will start with 3. Now I will do 3 times 5, which is 15, and then I will add 4, which gives us 19. So if I were to put in the value of 3 for n in this expression right here, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So I'm going to give you an expression, and you try to write the flowchart. So I will say 6x minus 1. I would start right here with x. The next step is to say times 6, which is how we get 6x. Then we're going to subtract 1, which is how we get 6x minus 1. Now I'm going to ask you to substitute the number 2 for x. So we would start with our 2. Then we would do 2 times 6, which is 12. Then we would subtract 1, which gives us 11. So if I'm looking at this right here, I got to work backwards in order to figure out what goes in this original bubble. So I start at the end, and I had 79. Well, the step before it said plus 4. Since I am working backwards, that means I need to subtract 4. 79 minus 4 is 75. Now, the step before it said times 5, so I need to do divided by 5. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So here's some practice for you. I want you to pause the screen and take a minute and try to figure this one out. Since we are going to work backwards, the last step said to subtract 7. So we're now going to add 7. 26 plus 7 is 33. The step before that said times 3. So now we are going to divide by 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. Here's another one for you. Like the other slide, take a moment and try to figure it out on your own. So if I'm working backwards, the last step was times 2, so now I'm going to divide by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. The step before it says subtract 5, so now I'm going to add 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. Now the step before that said times 5, so now I'm going to divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Your flowchart should look like this.